Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. I just have a quick video here. Just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know the holidays got away from me a little bit, and began to realize that toward the end of the week, but over the weekend and everything that was going on with family and the holidays, I was not able to make the video to make you aware. But while I'm at it, I've been meaning to take a vacation anyway, so I thought that this week I would go ahead and, um, well, I'm going to call it a vacation. I won't be posting a video to YouTube at 8 a.m. each morning, or waking up and building a thumbnail as at 5:30 a.m. as I've been doing for the last several months, or the last year now. I believe that it's been that I have published a video to YouTube every weekday morning. So this will be a little break from that, just a week or so. Giovanni, Dead Stick Dave, Gavin Lannon, Leandro, you guys know I'll be back. It's not anything long term, just a little respite, maybe to clear my head, see a little bit different perspective. Things have changed a little bit as far as the way that I make the videos, and to get the quality of sound and the quality of video and the quality of the story that's being presented requires a little bit more than it did for me a year ago. So that is all part of it. And so I'm going to look into a few things this week as I take off from publishing video to hopefully improve that, and also some things that I've neglected over on the website. So if you get a chance, go check out the website. I need to do more writing over there, as well as the video that I've been publishing over here. But once again, just a break in the action. I'll be back a week from today, next Monday morning. I haven't heard from Daniel Nieves in a while. Magic Lighter is back. I've seen him here and there. Boo Rock Beer, I haven't heard from that guy in forever. Luscious Collectibles, Wyatt Bennett, Dylan Dupai, all you guys. Anyway, keep that in mind. Maybe just for fun, I'll publish a short or two later in the week. We'll see how it goes. If I'm bored by the end of the week, I may be back to publishing a lighter video every day in the morning. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, around it, this little break will not take over a week. A few others: Glorious Simplicity, Rook Knight, and Collector 34-5. Those are the ones that are commenting on a regular basis anyway. I think I pretty much got everybody. I'd really like to hear from Boo Rock Beer, Daniel Nieves again. So I'll see you guys here in a week or so. Until next time.